All right, folks, we need to look at a section where we're going to talk about staying safe around the vehicles as a wheelchair user. So let's do that. All right, so backing up vehicles, so that is either where you have a vehicle or you don't, that you use your wheelchair or you use something else. But you really have to be careful when the vehicle's backing up on you, towards you. So really tenga, sorry, I said in Spanish, just really take care with that. So going backing up of other people towards you. All right, drivers distracting by phones. I hate those. So distracted by phones. So what I do is that I just get away. I just get away from from the drivers because they're just not paying attention and they're gonna hit you. So really take care with that and be safe with that part. Blind spots for drivers or for somebody who is driving for you, to really be careful with the blind spots. So sometimes, I don't know if you have driven in your life, but you have to be careful where you can't see over there. They can see all of this, but you can't see over there. So then they got to be careful what's coming, in areas that they can't see it. So, or they can't see you. So be careful. Crossing driveways. So yes, crossing driveways. So you have to be careful when you are changing a driveway, or somebody is crossing a driveway and for you, against you. So you got to be careful with the driveways. Okay, does that make sense? I think so. All right. Making eye contact before crossing. Absolutely. If you are driving, making eye contact, of another driver. So you got to be careful. Or you are using a what? A wheelchair. You're using a wheelchair. You need to cross the place where you're going, whether it's the sidewalk or you're going across the street. So you got to make eye contact of anyone so that they know that you are crossing, so they don't drive around you or on top you. So you got to be careful. So making eye contact before crossing is important. Where you're crossing or you're changing another cross area. So be careful. Using lights and reflective gear when needed. So that's really important. You all know that I have on my wheelchair I have a whole bunch of lights. I have a whole bunch of reflective things on my wheelchair all the time. On the back of my wheelchair is red. So in case they see me, blah, They have me. They see me. On the sides, I have yellow, so they be careful so that the drivers can see me no matter what. So, no matter what. And I also use one when I use it, and I'm crossing a street, or crossing a sidewalk, or crossing a parking lot. So they will see me no matter what. So, so it's a little hard for them to run me over. so so you just gotta give your time, and also to make those reflective gears on your wheelchair. So really, really, you can get them in Amazon. You can get them reflective gear on your wheelchair. So that's not a lot of cost, and it's gonna help you it doesn't matter if you're in a car getting out. They're gonna see you. Another driver's gonna see you getting out. So that's important. Or if you are driving with your wheelchair across the parking lot, or if you're crossing the street. So that's just going to give you more safety for you. So why not? Why not? So just think about it, okay? So I just want you to be a great life in one person. So take care of it, and I will see you very soon. And thank you so much for for all your likes and all of your subscribers. So thank you so much for making those parts for the channel. I will see you soon.